Good evening. Tonight we're doing pork fried rice. I'm doing a shortened version of pork fried rice. So I'm going to do it in my wok. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to have to get that melted into the wok. I'm going to turn it up. Not all the way on high, but pretty high so we can get that melted quickly. As soon as we get that all melted down, we're going to put in our pork. Our pork here, you got about a pound, a little over a pound, and the pieces are cut pretty small. Just little pieces of pork. Pork loin would be best. My pork loin wasn't unthawed, so I had some pork steaks. I'm going to use pork steaks. Butter's starting to. There we go. As you can see, we've got the butter all melted, and I've swirled it around in the pan to get the sides. I'm going to go ahead and put that pork in and get that cooking here in the butter. And turn the heat up just a little more. This is going to okay, we've got this going, and the pork's just starting to cook. We're going to grab about, well, it's a package of frozen Asian vegetables. And yes, I probably could have cut up the corn and the beans and the red peppers, etc., etc. But you know what? I didn't have time, nor did I really want to, and I had these Asian vegetables anyway I needed to use up. So I'm going to put them in. I'm going to put the top on this and just let it cook just for a few minutes, and I'll stir it up, and once this gets going, there'll be no time we'll be eating. Okay, we've got our meat in, we've got our Asian vegetables in, a little over 2 cups, 2 1/4 cups. It was just what that package was. You can see we've got some corn, we've got some beans, we've got a little broccoli. And all we need to do is heat them up. Of course, we're waiting for the pork to cook, and it's getting there. Getting there. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes, and we'll be able to finish this up and get to eating. Okay, our pork is done. Our vegetables are all heated up. I need to set them aside, so I'm going to take them. I'm just going to put them in a nice big bowl here. They'll be coming back here in just a few. Because now I want to add 3 eggs. We're going to keep them scrambled. Okay, our eggs are all scrambled. We're going to put our meat and vegetables back. Give that a toss. Incorporate those just a little bit. And we're ready for 3 cups of cold rice. Day-old rice, cold rice, call it what you want. There we go. We got the rice in. Before I get it all mashed up, let's just go ahead and put a little soy sauce. That is low sodium, by the way. 3 green onions, all chopped nicely. A little ground ginger and garlic powder. Okay, we're going to mix this up till it's thoroughly all incorporated, and that will also help heat the rice back up, and we'll be ready to eat. The rice is hot, everything's fully incorporated, and all we need is some plates and an appetite. Good eats.